In this video, I will show you how to search an odor and how the parameters impact the graph. So firstly, to search an odor, you have two possibilities. Use the search text field or search directly to the graph and click on it. In this video, I will take the example of the odor rancid. I write RAN in the text field. As you can see, the odor selected is not the first one, but the odor who the name is more similar with the word we put. Now, we look for rancid in the result and we click on it. Okay, now we have selected rancid. As you can see, all the graph is gray except rancid and his children and parents. This is due to the parameter neighborhood. This parameter has 4 options. By default, it is set to level 1, so it will display the parents and children's of the odor. If we put it to level 2, we will see all the grandparents, the grandchildren's, and the siblings. If we put it to full chain, it will show the chain from rancid to odor and all the descendants of rancid. And with co-occurrence, all the co-occurrences of rancid are visible with a special orange link. You can hide the parameter panel to see the graph a little bit better. And now we turn our attention to the information panel. On the right panel, we see some information about rancid odor. This right panel is contextual and shows the properties of the selected element in the graph, the links with other reference websites like PubChem, NIST, and the Good Sense Company, and the relationships with others' odors, molecules, and products. In the relationships part, as you can see, it doesn't show directly the full list of products or molecules, but the first 6 elements with 3 dots. If you want to see the full list, you just have to click on the plus, and you will see all the elements. Be careful because the list can be very long. If you want to close it, click on the dash. All the blue text that you see in the panel is clickable. So if I click to the search, I will be redirected to the website of the Good Scent Company. Okay, let's go back. Next, if I click on butter rancid, for example, I will have the information on the odor. But now I have to go back to rancid. Well, it's simple. I can click on his name on the more general part, or I can use the back button of the navigator to return to my previous action. To continue on this information panel, every title text in bold on the connection part can be hovered to have more information on it. And for the co-occurrence elements in the list, if we hover them, we have the information about the porcent in the bracket. Now we return to the parameter panel, and we can hide the information panel. With this parameter, we can change the size of the node by choosing if we use the instances or the molecules to calculate the size of the nodes. If we click on cumulative, we will uncheck the box, so now all the calculations will not take care of the descendants of the nodes. We can see differences with the size of the node and also in the list. If we pay attention now, we have less elements. If we click again, everything goes back to normal, and we can see back the molecules deducted by the cumulative option. The parameter gray the graph out is also a checkbox. So if we uncheck it, as you can see, all the gray nodes are now transparent. Then if I change the neighborhood parameter, we will see more of the graph. As we said before, but it is more visible. If I want to quit the graph, I click on the close button on the left of the information panel or the cross button on the right in the research part. Thank you for watching.